Hello friends, now we are open this Realme 11 phone, and this is 5G, and check out the specification here. 8 GB RAM and internal storage is 128 GB. It's glory gold Realme 11 5G. Just unbox this phone. First of all, side this dare to leave, and what we get in this side. Inside we got a case and some paper stuffs, and here the phone itself looks so classy. Just look the flashes inside the pattern. What the beautiful phone. Wow, it's awesome. Can you imagine how beautiful, pretty is this? It's like a gold, so pure. So let's check out the box inside, and here we got 65-watt brick, and where is the, it's 80-watt super books. Wow, now we got 80 watts charger. It's a 5 volt 2 ampere and 11 volts 7.3 ampere maximum output. Wow, just put the box, and here we got the type C cable inside the box. So just switch on the phone. Realme branding itself. It's 11. Hello. So friends, this phone is open, and check out the camera, how it's work. So here is the camera back, and the company claim is 3x lossless zooming, and now see the people tree. The leaves are very clear and crispy here in 1x. So if you are zooming in, check, the quality is very nice, and the lips are crispy and clear, and you just focus the leaf and take a picture, and here we go. And when you 3x some cows and buffaloes here, and take a picture nap, And here is the old man is coming with and take a picture. So let's check out the 108 megapixel camera, and here is the picture. Wow. And some other pictures are here in the street. This was the street pictures in 72 mm. The ladies are going toward the, so if you are think it's night, you take your picture in night mode, and here is portrait mode, and you move closer this. Wow. And it's 108 megapixel camera, this picture. And here is the film mode. In this mode we start with the pan mode, and here we shot the camera and starting with this. And just check out the front camera. And here is the front camera, and so crispy at all.